Dear grade 9 students, welcome back to the chapter Heron's formula. In this period, let's move on to the exercise 12.1. First question, we have done it using Heron's formula in the previous period. Now let us follow the formula for equilateral triangle. We have studied the area of an equilateral triangle has a special rule. Area of the triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 times the square of the side. This is an equilateral triangle, so all sides are equal. Let us represent each side by the letter A. We have the perimeter is 180 centimeter, so P is equal to 180, which is A plus A plus A. 3A is equal to 180, or A is equal to 180 divided by 3, 60 centimeter. So we can find the area is root 3 by 4 times 60 times 60 power 2. Now 60 and 4 can be divided, so we'll get the answer 15. So it is 15 times 60. 15 times 6 is 90 with a 0. So 900 root 3 centimeter square because it is area. It is much easier because we apply the rule of equilateral triangle. If we apply the rule of Heron's formula, it's a bit longer. Anyway, we get the same answer. Moving on to question 2. The sides of a triangular wall are 122, 120 and 22 meters. The advertisement earns rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. This is for 1 year. A company hired one of its walls for 3 months. So first of all, we have to calculate what is the amount for meter square for 1 month. So cost for 1 month per meter square is 5,000 divided by 12, because this is for 1 year has 12 months, so divide by 12. Therefore cost for 3 months will be 3 months per meter square. For each meter square we have to pay 5,000 divided by 12 times 3. This can be simplified, which is 5,000 divided by 4. We can simplify it later on, so let's keep this with us. Now we have to find how many meter square is the whole triangular wall. For that, we can apply 2 rules here. First of all, Heron's formula using 3 sides, and also we can apply Pythagoras theorem so that we can see this is the height and this is the base. That will come as second method. So first method, we need to find the perimeter. For any Heron's formula, the first step is perimeter. Perimeter is 122 plus 120 plus 22, which is 264. So semi-perimeter will be 264 divided by 2, which is 132 meters. This is the semi-perimeter. Now let us write the rule for Heron's formula. For every question, write the rule. So area is equal to S times S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. And we know S is 132. So area is equal to root of 132 times 132 minus the first side, 132 minus second side, 132 minus the third side, which is equal to root of 132 times, here it will be 10, this will be 12, and this will be 110. Let us simplify it inside the square root. 132 can be written as 12 times 11. We have a 10, then 12, and 110 can be written as 11 times 10, so that we can take it out of the radical sign or square root. 12 and 12 will give us 12, 11 and 11 will give us 11, 10 and 10 will give us 10. So which is 12 times 11 is 132, with 10 1320 meter square. This is the total area that we are giving for advertisement. So for 1 month, it will be 1,320 multiplied by 5,000 divided by 12. So for 3 months, it will be. So let us move on to the next page. So it will be 1,320 meters square is the total area. So the cost will be equal to for 3 months. will be equal to 1320 multiplied by 5000 divided by 4, because we simplified between 3 and 12, so we will get the answer 4. So it will be, we can simplify it again. This will be 330. So 330 multiplied by 5000, which will be, and 4 zeros, rupees for 3 months. Easy, right? Now let us see how to do the same question using the previous method that you have studied. Area is equal to base times height divided by 2. For that, we need to make sure this is the height. Yes, this is the height, because we can see that 22 square plus 120 square is equal to 122 square. When you calculate them, these two sides will be equal, which means 22 is the height and this is the base. So we can apply the rule. Base is 120 multiplied by 22 divided by 2, which will be 12 times 11 is 1320 meter square is the area. And same way we can find the cost by multiplying this number with 5000 divided by 4, and we will get the amount. So this is one of the other methods. So if you can apply the Pythagoras theorem and find the height, this is allowed to use the area of the triangle using this method. Moving on to question 3. There is a triangular slide in a park with the sides of the wall 15, 11, and 6. Find the area. So first of all, we need to find the perimeter, which is equal to 6 plus 15 plus 11, which is 32 meters. So semi-perimeter will be equal to 32 divided by 2, which is 16 meter. That is S. So our target is to use Heron's formula. So let's write down the rule. A is equal to S times S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, which is equal to root of 16 times 16 minus 15, 16 minus 11, and 16 minus 6. This order can be changed, no problem. So we have 16 times 1, 5, 10. Root of 16 is 4. Root of 1 is 1, we don't have to write. And then we have 5 times, root of 10 is 5 times 2. 5 and 5 will give a 5 outside. So it will be 4 times 5, 20 root 2. And don't forget the unit, meter square. That's all. Find the area was the question. Question 4 now. Find the area of a triangle, two sides of which are 18 and 10. Third side is not given, but the perimeter is 42. So we have 18 plus 10 plus the missing side, let us name it A, is equal to 42. So A is equal to 42 minus 28, which is 14 centimeter. So this is 14 centimeter. So we know the first step is to find perimeter is equal to 42 we already have. And then we have to find S. Semi-perimeter is 42 divided by, so S is equal to 21 centimeter. Then we have to write the rule, area is equal to S times S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, which is equal to root of, semi-perimeter is 21. Remember not to take the perimeter, semi-perimeter. 21 minus 18, 21 minus 10, and 21 minus 14, which is equal to root of 21 times, this is 3, 11, and 7, which is equal to 21 is 7 times 3. So from this, you can take 121 outside and root 11 will stay inside. And we can simplify because root 11 is an irrational number, centimeter square. Hope it's clear. Moving on to question 5. Sides of a triangle are in the ratio 12 is to 17 is to 25. Remember, whenever you have ratio, you can substitute it by a variable. So the sides are 12x, 17x, and 25x. So first we have to find what is x. So 12x plus 17x plus 25x. That will be the perimeter, and we are given the perimeter is 540 centimeters. This will be 2954. X is equal to 540, or x is equal to 540 divided by 54, which is 10. So each side is 120, 170, and 250 centimeters. These are the sides of the triangle. So first we have to find semi-perimeter, which is 540 divided by 2, which is 270 centimeter. Then we have to apply the rule of Heron's formula, S times S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, which is equal to root of 270 minus 120, 270 minus 170, and 270 minus 250. Now let us try to simplify them. 270 times 150, 100, and 20. 100 will give us a 10 outside. 27 can be written as 9 times 30. 150 can be written as 5 times 30. And let us see. So 30 and 30 will give us a 30 outside. So let's write down 10 times 30 times, we have 9, which will give us a 3 outside. Now inside we have 5 and 20. So which can be written as 5 times 20 is 5 times 4. This will give us a 5 and this will give us a 2. So 10 times 30 times 3 times 5 times 2, which is 900 times 10, which is 9,000 centimeters square. That is the area of this triangle. It's really an amazing lesson. Moving on to the last question of this exercise. An isosceles triangle has perimeter 30. Each of the equal sides are 12. So 12, 12, third side is missing. So 12 plus 12 plus A is total 30 is given to us, the perimeter. So A is equal to 30 minus 24, which is 6 centimeter. And first of all, we have to write the semi-perimeter is 30 divided by 2, 15 centimeter. Area of the triangle using Heron's formula, S minus S times S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, which is equal to 15 times 15 minus 12, 15 minus 12 again, 15 minus 6. Simplifying, 15 times 3 times 3 times 9. This will give us a 3 and again a 3. 15 can't be simplified, so 15 will stay inside. So area of this triangle is equal to 9 root of 15 centimeter square. That's all for this exercise. Thanks for watching.